hemp seeds have exploded in popularity over the last few years and are consumed by many health-conscious individuals. They are one of the most nutritious seeds available and contain unique compounds and are very nutrient-dense. You can add them to salads, smoothies, or other healthy recipes quite easily due to their versatility. Now, let's discuss some amazing health benefits of hemp seeds. As mentioned previously, hemp seeds are incredibly nutritious and offer many different vitamins, minerals, and other important nutrients. Hemp seeds are an amazing source of manganese, vitamin E, phosphorus, magnesium, iron, and zinc. They are also a great source of healthy essential fatty acids, dietary fiber, and antioxidants. Regular consumption of hemp seeds is also a great way to promote heart health overall and can reduce risk factors associated with heart disease. They contain unique amino acids, one of which being arginine, which produces nitric oxide in the body, promoting the health of our blood vessels and arteries. Studies have also shown that hemp seeds can lower and regulate blood pressure and contain heart-healthy nutrients such as fiber and magnesium. Hemp seeds are also a great choice when it comes to improving digestive health and overall digestion. This is often attributed to the high levels of both soluble and insoluble fiber these powerful seeds contain. Hemp seeds can promote regularity, add bulk, and promote gut health by helping good bacteria in the gut to thrive. They can also be effective at reducing symptoms associated with constipation and bloating. Consuming hemp seeds is also a great way to naturally improve the health and look of our skin. This is because they are an incredible source of vitamin E. Not only can they help to improve dry and flaky skin by working as a natural moisturizer, but they can also reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. As well, hemp seeds have been shown in studies to improve skin ailments such as eczema and other inflammatory skin conditions. Lastly, by consuming hemp seeds regularly, it can help to reduce inflammation throughout the entire body, which can have positive effects on not only reducing joint pain and stiffness, but also reducing illness and chronic diseases. Hemp seeds are loaded with antioxidants and nutrition that can eliminate free radicals in the body, and importantly, contain omega-3 fatty acids which can reduce inflammation in its own right. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment, and share. If you would like to hear about more healthy foods and food and beauty tips, please subscribe to the channel. Have a great and healthy day.